The knit two together is a decrease that is worked in the same manner as a knit stitch, only you're going through two stitches instead of one. So normally when I knit, I would go through just this stitch, right? But since I'm knitting two together, I'm actually going to go back one stitch, so I'm catching two stitches on my needle. Okay, so again, you see there's one, and now here's the second one. I'm catching both of those. I'm going to yarn over and pull through. So again, you go through both of the stitches, you yarn over, you pull through. And if you knit with your yarn in the other hand, it's not a problem as long as you're not caught. You insert your needle in the two stitches instead of just one, you yarn over and you pull through. That's all it takes to knit two together. And what that does is it takes two stitches, makes it into one, and it's a decrease.